The game has started.
Howdy folks, Josh with Elite Laser Tag Equipment here. Below is a video on how to install a stock. Played back at 1.5 times speed. Average time to install stock is 3 to 4 minutes. The tools and equipment you will need are a 3/16 Allen wrench and a stock. Remember, the stock is designed to be tight in the Razorback shell, so you may need to apply a little bit of pressure back towards the stock to get the screw to go through. It is best practice to drive the hardware about 3/4 of the way through, make sure that all of the holes are lined up, and then install the nut in the back. Please be sure to be careful not to cross thread anything, and enjoy your new Razorback tagger with the stock installed. If you have any questions, you can always reach me at elitelasertaghotline@gmail.com or 910-850-8017. Answer during most operating hours, Monday through Friday, Central Standard Time. I hope you have enjoyed this instructional video on how to install a stock on a Razorback tagger. Look forward to putting up more instructional videos in the near future.
The game has ended.